Lesson 10, Part 2. Sorry about that. I ran out of time. Registration identifier, character, 6, private, public. Qualification is static constant. And I understand these don't really make sense to you guys yet, but they will when we start working in this in the book. This will all hopefully come back to you. Okay, so we're on step 4 on page 145. Click OK to save your entries. And return to the define dialog box, which here's define. This is a dialog box. Note that your attributes you entered are displayed in the attributes field. Here's what we entered. Click save and exit to return to the diagram. Okay. You have a problem. What have I done? Okay, we're good. Select the trailers class object and double click the left mouse button to go to its repository entry, which is here. Move the cursor entry to the attributes field and complete the attributes dialog box. Type weight, character, 1, value, public, and none in qualification. Click OK to save the entry. Click Save, then click Exit. Double click the left mouse button on the Vehicles class. Right click in the Attributes field and select Add Change from the object menu that's listed. Just a different way to do this. Typing motor number, numeric, 1, value, public, and none. Click OK, save, and then exit. Continue adding attributes to the main class objects on your diagram. When you've completed adding attributes to class objects, click Exit to close the Define dialog box. They don't really give us those, so we're going to skip ahead to page 149. We're almost done with lesson 10. Again, we're just getting an idea of where these things are. Select the class object registrations and double click the left mouse to go to its registration or repository entry. Move to the third page of the repository dialog box by clicking the Methods Friends tab. Move the cursor to the Methods field. Click the Attributes Detailed button or Add Change from the repository object menu that is displayed when you right click. Define methods for registration. To do this, click the New button to name the new method Registration Renewal and click OK. Type data element in the returns field and 6 in the limit field. Select value in the by area, public in the visibility area here, and none in the qualification area. Repeat this process for new methods, create new registration, and suspend registration. So you should have 3. Click Close to the return to the Define dialog box, which is where we are now. Click Save and then Exit. Double click in the Trailers class To display its repository entry, then click Methods Friends, click Attributes Details, click the New and type Weight Specification, and click OK. Type Data Element in the Returns field, Limit 1, Reference in the By area, Public and Visibility, and None in Qualifications. Click Close. Click Save, then Exit. Select Vehicles. Right-click to display its object menu. Select Define to display the repository entry. Click Methods, Friends tabs, just different ways to get to it. The cursor in the Methods box. Add change. Click New. Motor, Number, Specification. Click OK. Type Data Element. And the return and 1 and limit. Reference in the By field, Public, Invisibility, and None in Qualifications. Click Save, Close, Save, Exit, return to your diagram. Now we're analyzing the class diagram. Last page. With your diagram, the registration class objectives in the active diagram window, select Analyze from the diagram. Click OK. Review your error message and decide an appropriate corrective step, which we're not going to worry too much about that right now. We have a lot of errors because some of these we didn't do, and that's okay. We're just learning now how to draw and where things go. Alright, that completes Lesson 10 and the tutorial for now for Visual Analyst.